Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty. The Yaskawa SMC, seen here, is an 8-channel CNC controller capable of performing robotic axis control across 8 different motors. This controller is used in a variety of industries and applications that require the movement of 8 separate axes. After we repair the unit, extra steps are taken to fully document the repair and ensure its proper operation for our customer. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.